Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you today's install. We've done on a digital AC on a Discovery 4. We do quite a lot of for the cars, e-books, Range Rover Sport, Discovery 5, etc. So I'm just going to give you a little video today on the install. Relatively easy, straightforward to fit. We have installed this with a MMI box, which you can't see. It's out of picture, but I'll just give you a little indication of what you get on these systems here. So obviously there's your 4x4 settings on there. Also you can have like your heated windscreens and AC panel. Let's go to settings. Okay, it just allows you to change like the temperature on there and languages. And this here you don't want to change because I'll say it's for this car, but obviously it has a different setting. Here's your heated seats, so you can switch these on if you wish, and lower them down if you want, and switch them off like that. So middle of summer now guys, so I'm not going to have this on today because I don't want to warm bum. And here's your climate control. So obviously this will take care of all your direction of the air conditioning. You can move things up by that, you can do it by this one, you can do it by up there. There's your traction control, which you can switch off, switch back on again, and there's your fan speed. So yeah, just to keep it today short today guys, because there's not much to these systems, but they do look nice in the car. If you've got any questions, give us a shout. Take care.